Thutha wa President William Ruto kwanirira ndundu njeru ya maminista, ciuria iria icokete kwiyumiria ari kana mũnini wake ni akuruhanitio wa mũranini uyu thutha wa aingi arĩa mamuritwo gukorwo maumite mwaho-ini wa ODM. No riu mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni ayumiritie na kuga ni aranyita mbaru matua ma President, matua maya akiuga ni uhotani munene kuri thirikari kuona ni makurehe urumwe.
All sorts of analysts and newspaper people and commentators commenting about gains and losses. Which region got what, which one lost, which one didn't, who is strong, who is not. I think the whole thing is a win for the people of Kenya. And for us as a region, we are very happy that Mercy adds our numbers. And we are very proud of our performance from a daughter of this region and her commitment to public service and assisting the president in the management of their affairs.
No Rigathi ugite ni undu wikiha kuona kuri na ateti marahuthira mirurungano iria ikoretwo kuo ya gutetia thirikari na kugeria kuhorohia ngarari ciao cia kiuteti.
Have tremendous respect for the people of Kenya. People are not foolish. There is no shortage of fools in this country. People are fairly intelligent and very analytical. And the ordinary Kenyans are ahead of us leaders. They know many things. And they see. And they can tell. They can interpret. They can perform. And they understand.
No na gutuika uri urari minista wa kigina Professor Njuguna Ndung'u ndacokete thirikari-ini, Rigathi ni amutugiritie kumana na wira wake wa kwagirithia utonga wa bururi.
To hand over to the new nominee, walk with your head tall. You worked hard for late hours. You came to cabinet and presented clear and concrete proposals. As our son, we are really, really very proud of your performance and your achievement. And let me encourage you that when God closes one door, God opens another door. And we wish you well.
Rigathi aritie ari mathiko-ini ma nyina wa Mercy wa Njau uria niwe mwandiki wa ndundu ya maminista. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.